Jamie. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you are new. I am so glad to have you guys returning and for all of my new subscribers. So my video that just went up last week, thank God, I had got a video done and ready because I was feeling better. The first of the year, I brought the new year in with the flu. Was miserable and then sick all through Christmas break and through the first of the year. Then I got better, and then the kids went back to school, and my daughter was only at school for like 2 days. They went to school, they went back on a Thursday, so they went Thursday and Friday, and then they had called and said that Sunday they called me and said that she was exposed to COVID and her teacher had it, and therefore we all got it. So all last week we had COVID, and that was miserable. It wasn't as bad as I thought it would be, but it was still pretty miserable. Me and my husband had headaches for 3 days. I was nauseous. We were running fevers. We had cold chills. And then we would just start sweating. It was horrible. And the kids, they got sick as well. So we are all better now, and thank God it is done and over with. But this year, it's just not been my year so far. For the first, few weeks of it, I, was sick, and I'm done and over it. I just want to get better. Well, I feel better. I still, it still feels like a little sinus infection. I'm just stuffy in the morning, but that is done and over. So I hope you guys were having a better few weeks than I have. So now I just opened up my blinds because it was finally sunny, and it was cold, but it was sunny. So I opened up the blinds to get some lighting in here. And now I'm just getting the dishwasher unloaded, and then all of those seasonings right there I have been working on since I got better. I have been working on getting all of my seasonings typed out so I can get all my labels done. I had started on it, but I got like half of them typed up, and then I printed them off using my Cricut. But I had the black sticker vinyl, and putting that on the spice jars, and then with the spices, it was just too dark. You couldn't see the label or what was on there, so I had to order some white sticker vinyl, which finally came in. So next week, I am getting this kitchen organized. I know I have been saying I'm getting it done, but you guys, for the first few weeks, I have been getting sick and had the flu at the beginning of the year, then just got over COVID. So I am trying to get everything back on track. Just bear with me, you guys. So now I'm just going to get these dishes done, and I'm going to play some music and stop talking so much.
I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays, way back a year ago. I've changed for the better this time. I thought I would never be fine. I strive just to say I'm alright, and for the first time in a long time I'm alright. I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays, way back a year ago. I'm not falling, I'll push all my chips and call all in. I'll bet on myself, you keep stalling. I hear destiny and it's calling. I'll keep my head up high through the downs and lows, and we're all going life, still nobody knows.
So, out of just curiosity, what are y'all's goals for this year? My goals are to be a little bit more healthier and work out more, and meal prep and like meal plan. I guess not really meal prep, but meal plan. That's just something I've never done. I have always, when I go to the grocery store, I buy tons of different meats and fill up my deep freezer, and then my freezer on my fridge. That's where I usually put like all of the kids' lunch foods, breakfast foods, snacks, and frozen vegetables. And I will just buy all the side dishes and tons of different vegetables, and I just go from there, and I will open up the freezer and just kind of pick through it to find whatever I'm going to cook. But my goal is to at least plan out at least 3 meals a week. That's my goal. I'm not going for planning meals for 7 days. At least if I can just do 3 days planning 3 different meals for the week, that would be great. But that's one of my goals, some of my goals, to do for this year. And also to get some more organizing done. I really need to get my bedroom closet organized. But I have been working on trying to get the kitchen done, so I have been buying my organizing bins and things I need to organize the kitchen. So I finally got all of that, and I'm getting it all ready for next week. So, I mean, in theory, I would love just to go to the store and buy like everything, to do every room in my house, but I would be broke if I did that. So, just the way I can afford to do it, and I just do focus on one room, and I buy things for organizing it pretty much throughout the month. Like, I'll have an idea of what I want. So when my husband gets paid, and I go into town, I will just pick up like one or two organizing bins that I want and do it that way, so I don't go broke doing it. And because that stuff gets expensive, and but that is just my way of getting things done. I just slowly work on it, and I just put everything up until I have everything I need. And then once I have everything, I get started. So I got everything I need for the kitchen, I think, for the most part. So once I'm done with this, the next area I want to focus on getting organized is my master closet. So that will be the next room I start picking things up and getting ready for that. So I'm just going to get this sink scrubbed out, and I'm going to get everything moved off my bar, countertop, so I can get it wiped down. I don't spray around things. I don't wipe around things, because it's just pushing dirt and grime around everything. It only takes like 2 extra minutes to take everything off the counter and just give it a good thorough wipe down. So in all of my videos, you guys will always see me doing that, moving things off the counter and giving it a good thorough wipe down.
But I'ma choose what's right and take what comes and goes, and ain't no one in life holding me back no more. I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays, way back a year ago.
So I'm getting all these seasonings moved out of the way. I have some on the other counter. Those are the ones that I've already got typed up. But I sat there and counted all of my spices. I have 40, no, I have 53 spices, but I only have 48 jars. That's all I bought. I should have counted them before I bought my jars. So I technically could have used another box of jars, but that is okay. So now I'm just going to get everything moved back and put away. And I'm just going to stack these seasonings just nice and neatly right here, because I've just been working on getting those typed in, and I've got our vitamins laid right there. I had them in the cabinet with the coffee, but I don't open that cabinet every day because I don't drink coffee every day, just kind of whenever I'm in the mood for it. So I just took mine and my husband's vitamins out of the coffee cabinet and just laid them over there by the bread box. So they're just right there and you just remember to take them. And with this little two-tiered stand, that little truck, it lights up, and then I had those little hearts I just put right there. I do want to get some cute Valentine's coffee cups. I just haven't found none that I liked yet. And then that cute little recipe sign, I found that at Hobby Lobby. And the treat jar, I got that at Walmart.
Try to play, but you're never gonna beat me. Look the other way, what I'm doing ain't easy. Bloody hands stained from the people who deceive me. Muddy hands break through the chains, go free me. Looking for change, looking for pain, pulling a mob, pushing a train. I'll never stop, stick to a lane, pick up the pieces and go rearrange. I'll be the best above all the rest, put me to the test and expect nothing less. You check as I'm chess, what's happening next? Yeah. He got the venom, a tangible weapon, no coming in second. This life is a lesson. He got a new engine from pain, that's a blessing. New focus, no guessing, just bold and obsession. All in his possession, you got their attention. I'll leave an impression and take your redemption. Just kill no discretion, your mind is a weapon. 11-11, it's time for progression. You could try to play, but you're never gonna beat me. Look the other way, what I'm doing ain't easy. Bloody hands stained from the people who deceive me. Muddy hands break through the chains, go free me. People like sheep move feet, hurt it easy. You don't wanna be fast asleep when they're scheming. Better stand tall, ready for a fight, believe me. When they try the chains, you can say no, free me. So he's been looking for somebody who could save him, instead of searching inside for what they gave him. A strong will, strong mind causes mayhem. We could change the world, change times, rearrange them. Staying on pace, running the race. Life is a chase, I don't want a place, I wanna be first. Work till it hurts, dehydrated thirst till I'm in a hearse. High ambitions and the right mind can take you so far. It's like you lived a few lifetimes. Take off from a break off from the weak minds, they can stay soft. You can change lives, you create thoughts, never waste time. You got one shot, you got one life, better pop off. What do you like? Make a dream job. No 9-5, no mean boss, just my life and free thoughts. You could try to play, but you're never gonna beat me. Look the other way, what I'm doing ain't easy. Bloody hands stained from the people who deceive me. Muddy hands break through the chains, go free me. People like sheep move feet, hurt it easy. You don't wanna be fast asleep when they're scheming. Better stand tall, ready for a fight, believe me. When they try the chains, you can say no, free me.
And for over the fireplace, I just went with this little simple banner. Plus, they really don't have a lot of decor for Valentine's Day. And these little rose balls, I found those at home. They were $15. They had a lot of really different cute ones. I definitely want to go back and pick up a few more. Um, they had like some really cute fake flowers. I do want to go back and get some of those. I think that would be really cute. And I finally got my clock hung up, and the fireplace it turned out. So now I am just getting my oil diffuser ready, and I use the essential oils from Bath and Body Works, little wallflowers. I just pull the little wick thing out and pour a few drops of that in there, and that makes my house smell so good for hours. And I've got about 3 oil diffusers. I've got 2 on the bar, and then I've got this big one. And I need to get another one for the office, and I need to get one for the kids' bathroom. But so I'm just getting that all a little decorated. And then for the couch, I found this cute little pillow. I found that at Home Goods. And then my husband bought me that cute little bear at Walmart. So I just put that on the couch. I thought that was cute. So now I'm going to get this dining room table cleaned off, and that long pole right there, that is the shower scrubber. I found that at home for, I think I paid $14, $15 for it. It really wasn't that much at all. And y'all, I'm sorry I talked pretty much through this whole entire video, but I just had a lot that I wanted to say, and I hope you guys have enjoyed this video, and I hope y'all have a wonderful Tuesday and a wonderful rest of your week, and have a fantastic weekend, and I will talk to you guys next week. Bye.